I've been wanting to test out if CleanCult Fresh Scent Dishwasher Ultra Powder Tablets that come in 32 in a pack will leave a residue when you use them. And I guess the answer is always it depends. Depends on your wash machine, it depends on how you stacked them, it depends on how dirty they were. But mainly it's your wash machine that usually is the culprit. If you start seeing film or like a residue on the dishes. But here we're looking at what the tablets look like. Tablets have this. You would think, oh, this is covered in plastic. You take it out of the plastic. Well, actually, no. This is water soluble packaging that you don't have to take it out. You just put it in, and then you will just leave it in there, and the water will do the rest. It'll get rid of the packaging and let the tablet. The tablet will come free out of the package. But here, just finished the cycle here. Just some water droplets, but it does at least clean. I didn't really see any residue left behind. That's because what I usually do. Even this was just on the normal mode. The normal mode. And nothing fancy. Just the normal cycle. No hot water. Just the normal cycle. And my dishwasher is not the best. So you can see that's a little bit of residue for this one. No residue that I can see. That residue. There's a water spot. No, just can't tell. It's just water. But yeah, I mean, it really depends how clean the dishes are when you put it in. I know it kind of seems kind of pointless if you're doing washing dishes. Why do you want to wash the dishes before you put the dishes in? But yeah, if it's really like if the thing is super oily, you're gonna have to wipe it down. At least wipe some of the oil off. But yeah, I found that if you just wipe it, if it's like dipped in oil, the residue is gonna stay on. It's gonna stay on it until you just wipe off the oil. The oil is what's gonna trap the residue. So I would say just you might have to do a pre-rinse for if it's really stuck on there. If it's really dirty, and if it has a little bit of oil film on it, if you're not going to use hot water or anything, it's not going to get rid of the oil film, and then the residue will stay on it, leftover residue. And again, it also could be your washing machine. A lot of different things, tips that can help with it. The CleanCult here do its job a little bit better.